Alright, so I'm going to try to get my mom on a little prank here. What I'm going to do here is get our compressor and get all the way up there. I'm going to get some fishing line over here. That off for a second. I'm gonna get this thing to about 180 psi. Get myself some fishing line here. Attach a piece of fishing line to here and to a doorknob, and hopefully whenever she opens up the door it will pull the string, make a really loud noise, and hopefully get a good reaction out of her. I guess we'll see what happens.
Come on, Bryce. That's not funny.